Hey there, what's the best way to grow a business without worrying about referrals or new leads? You'll find the secret in the email you can see on screen that I just got it from a client. Hint, it's not Facebook ads or YouTube videos like this one. It's not direct mail or email. What's the best way to grow a business? Well, it's this. Retain your clients so they can repurchase and refer others. But don't take my word for it. Here's what Bill Bain said. He was the founder of Bain & Company. Quote, I have no idea why everyone's interested in new clients. We don't need new clients. We should have built-in growth from existing clients if we're doing our job correctly. And that's what he said in an interview with Bain's former co-partner, Richard Koch, who's the author of the 80-20 rule, and he's worth about $500 million, Richard Koch is. Note well, Bain and Company, according to Koch, grew at over 40% a year, more or less, for over 20 years. And 40% annual growth is more than twice that of billionaire Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway stock. So, in other words, Bain's formula for built-in growth was the foundation of an incredibly profitable business. And that's why I was delighted to get that email from a client that you're looking at. He was asking if I wanted to work on another project for him. Of course, I replied, because I want built-in growth from existing clients just like Bain. And that's why I work so hard to earn retention, repurchases, and referrals from my own clients. So here's the bottom line. If you have a business, you have a marketing budget. Most or all of that budget is devoted to client acquisitions, I'm guessing, online marketing, trade shows, direct mail, etc. Getting new clients, in other words. But how much of your marketing budget is devoted to client retention? If your answer is $0 or I don't know, you need to find some money for client retention starting today. And even $20 is enough to start with. With $20, you can buy 10 thank you notes and the postage and then print them and mail them to your last 10 clients. That's a start. Whatever you do, start retaining more clients and you can enjoy built-in growth in your business.